So you can see the new generation is going to be hindered. So why is it important that the generations is going to be less and less? And most of the normal married families would prefer 2 or maximum 3. They feel 3 kids is a maximum for them. They can't handle more than that. Now you can see that if you look at the statistics, 10, 15 years later, and the rest of the youth who's right now is on drugs and alcohol and a lot of misconducts and morals are terrible. And you can imagine 10, 15 years later what it's going to be. When you look at that, that makes us more serious parents. We are going to be raising our children in a way that this is going to bring this country, or for the world, we are the citizens of the world. We're not just one country. So we want to raise a future generation 10, 15 years later, a perfect one, something which is more productive, which is more effective in the future with that. So that's our job, is that. At the same time, if you think of all the wars going on in the Middle East and wherever, the children and women are being killed. So even the generation is going down there. The Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a plan that He has migrated us to a different country. And people in America is accepting Islam. So there's kind of a Islam, when people are gaining a more understanding of Islam, they're coming to a family unit, they're raising children. So we have a serious job. See, normally when you get up in the morning, you just serve cereal and brush their teeth, send them to school. That's not our job. I want you to realize that we have a different mission. We are doing that. We're washing them, bathing them. But we're going to walk out today. Introduction of parents means, my God, I didn't realize there's a mission. There are so many kids dying other part of the world, either by starvation in Africa, anywhere. But we are having a very comfortable life here. Allah has set us for a plan. We're not here just wasting our time. We're not here to just match our wallpaper to the blankets. We're not here to do the gifts and just baby showers and how to spoil our children with toys and whatnot. Do it, but don't forget your mission. That you want to raise a child as a wholesome, not just spiritual, but emotionally stable, and make them understand the decision making, how to be a wholesome child, wholesome human being. How does he understand Islam? How does he understand non-Muslims? How does he respect the neighbors? How does he respect the citizens of every country? How does he respect the different creeds and races and religions? This is the one which you are the parents. So you understand the seriousness what we have now.